Hiya, how are my stars today? You know you really are stars. Like you really are made out of star stuff. Do you want me to explain why? Right. Well, all the stuff around us, right, is made up of things called elements, right? Elements can be seen on this thing here called a periodic table. Now you'll see a load of alphabet bits, yeah? So an example on there you'll see is a H, right? That's hydrogen. And an O, which is oxygen. So you get two hydrogen, one oxygen, and that makes H2O, which you might have heard of as water. Yeah, so it's kind of like how elements work. Now, humans have made some of these elements, but some of these elements are also made in stars, okay? So as the star is burning in space, right, in the middle of it, when it gets to 10 million degrees, it starts this thing called nuclear fusion. And nuclear fusion is basically, so you've got a load of hydrogen in space and it starts burning away and it turns into helium. Then it starts turning into carbon and all these different elements get built up in the middle of the star. Eventually, the star will have something called a supernova, right? And it can happen for different reasons, but it's basically when the star explodes, boosh, into space, right? So all these elements that have been created go floating around into space, okay? Now, so if you think of our solar system, right? Our sun is a big star, isn't it? And our sun is known as a third generation star, which means that it's kind of been a star, the bits inside it have been a star a couple of times before. Yeah, and it's gone through those supernovas, boosh, formed another star. Right, so when our star was formed, most of it went into being the star, but there was little bits left over. And these little bits formed our planets. And these little bits are made of those elements, right? That were made in the stars. So our Earth has a lot of these elements that were formed in the stars. Now, if you look at this picture here, this is from the Natural History Museum, and it shows which of these elements are in our body, right? So an example of some. So if we look at this together, so as you see, you can see H and O, hydrogen and oxygen, right? H2O. Well, that's not a big surprise, is it? Because our bodies have got a lot of water in. So when you have a drink of water, drinking star juice, awesome. And what else is on there? Calcium. So if you think of it like this, right, you have cheese, yogurt, milk, and that comes from a cow, right? Yeah, but it also comes from stars, the calcium in it does, because that cow has eaten the grass. The grass has come from the earth, yeah? So these different things get passed along and then go into your body, and that calcium then goes into your bones, yeah? So you can see how different things on there have then come into your body and been used to make your body. So you really are a star, okay? You can tell everybody, I am a superstar, all right? Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and I will do you another video soon, okay? Take care, stay safe, bye.